Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here tonight with my HJC helmet. As you guys know, I own a 2021 Polaris Sportsman 850 Premium, and do have my blur goggles. These things have been pretty good actually, so not sure the price of everything. It was quite pricey when I first got it, so boys and girls definitely head out. If you're going to be out trail riding your ATV or side by side, make sure you're wearing a helmet. Just that's all I got to say about that. So what I have here in front of me is my it's the Hero 7 GoPro. I was out last week or 2 weeks ago now, up in Ocala, and had the opportunity to catch a bear that was less than 50 feet, or excuse me, about 25 yards from me. Unfortunately, my phone, as you guys know, is mounted on my steering wheel, and wasn't able to pull it off in time to snap a picture or even a video. But it was really cool how close I got to this thing, and it was standing up on its hind legs and stuff. So I've had this Hero 7 for a while, and I said, well, I know it comes with some mounts. Let's go ahead and see if we can mount this onto the helmet here. So this isn't mounted yet. I wanted to show you guys. It came with two different mounts. So this is the curved mount, which I believe is going to work best for this application, and that's why. I do apologize. I had to use a lower def setting on the camera, so I do apologize. This comes out very blurry, but as you see there, that's the curved, and then I'll grab the other one here, which is just a flat piece, and that man, that's just not coming out right. But you can see here and here, it's not. See how it rocks back and forth. So that's not going to work. So we're going to go ahead and stick with this one, and then I'm going to make this a short video. But obviously, this visor flips up and down. So I wanted to make sure that does not impede with that. And then I want it to be probably at the highest point as it can be. So that looks pretty good there. Obviously I'm going to center it from side to side. Not so much front to back, but just make sure it's not, so it's off a little bit there. And then we're going to turn the camera on here. And I don't know how well it's going to come up. So if this visor flips all the way up, you can still see beyond the visor and stuff. Like I said, there you go. That's a better picture for you. If you look at the camera and the GoPro there, and with the visor down, you can just see the sticker there for the helmet brand. So I think that's going to be the best spot for this. And I'm going to go ahead and use just some glass cleaner I have. Alcohol would be the absolute best, but unfortunately I just cannot find it. I think I've used it for applying the sticker for my trailer. Anywho, rubbing alcohol is the absolute best for these 3M adhesive stickers. But we're going to go ahead and mount that up. I think that looks like the best placement for it. So we're going to, like I said, side to side. And basically, this is going to allow, wherever I turn my head, that's where the camera will lead. So, and I believe you can control this from your phone as well. It's a separate app than I use the Polaris Ride Command app. But you can quickly just find the button, push the actual record button, and it automatically turns on and starts recording immediately. So that's a pretty cool feature about this GoPro. So I don't think I'm going to record it because it's one-handed, but I'm going to go ahead and get this done for you and show you the end result. So what I'm going to do is spray this actually on my helmet really good. Have a cloth here. I'm going to wipe it off and then peel off the sticker. And that's pretty much it. So real simple. So hang tight. Alrighty, that is secured. That is not going anywhere. Again, the head visor, sun visor up. It's not hitting anywhere. It's clear. It is centered with this center peg all the way through, like so. Looks great. So that's how you mount a GoPro mount on your helmet using the curved mount. Now, if you're like me, you don't know how to take this thing off, this little rubber piece right here comes up, and I believe it slides forward, or you push these two tabs in here, push those in, and it slides out. And there's plenty of clearance there. So you want to put it back on, slide it back on, secure the rubber latch there. There you go. Real simple, guys. Hope you guys like this short video. Subscribe and catch you on the next one.